Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Please. Have you ever watched in frustration as your carefully earned profits vanished because your trading tools missed that pivotal signal? Imagine this. Your RSI fails to catch a real-time reversal, but ChartPrime flags it just in time, sparing you from another potential loss. ChartPrime isn't just another indicator. It's your secret weapon in the trading arena. By tracking institutional footprints like order blocks, liquidity zones, and fair value gaps from the outset, ChartPrime gives you a strategic advantage, making the invisible visible. This isn't about ordinary trading. It's about unlocking the market's hidden moves and gaining an edge that transforms your trading experience. Many traders enter the market with high hopes, only to find themselves tangled in a web of confusion and disappointment. The reason? They rely on outdated tools that fail to capture the true essence of market movements. Traditional indicators often lag, offering generic signals that miss the market's subtle shifts. Imagine being prompted to buy by a moving average, only to be caught off guard by an unexpected market downturn. If this scenario sounds familiar, you're not alone. ChartPrime is designed to fill these gaps, providing insights that even seasoned traders wish they had. For beginners, the landscape of trading can be overwhelming. The constant influx of data, the complexity of charts, and the conflicting advice from countless sources create a labyrinth of frustration. Even experienced traders aren't immune. They often spend hours seeking patterns, only to be left guessing. This is where profitable traders have the upper hand. They operate at a level where they don't just glance at trend lines or basic oscillators. They delve into areas like order blocks and liquidity zones, orchestrating moves that remain invisible to traditional indicators. One of the critical advantages ChartPrime offers is the easy interpretation of higher timeframes for analysis. By starting with a broader perspective, traders can identify the overall market trend and key levels, order blocks, and fair value gaps that hold significance. This approach provides context, ensuring that trades on lower timeframes align with the bigger picture, reducing the noise and avoiding false signals. Picture two traders examining the same chart. One relies solely on basic RSI or MACD setups, while the other leverages ChartPrime's advanced insights into institutional patterns and higher timeframe analysis. The difference is stark. While one struggles with false breakouts and lagging signals, the other times their entry with precision, capitalizing on market nuances. A cluttered chart filled with indicators can often amplify the noise, leaving traders unsure of when to act. This lack of clarity is why so many fail to achieve consistent results. But technical challenges are only part of the equation. Trading is a psychological game, a constant battle against emotional pressures like the anxiety of losses, the temptation to overtrade, and the fear of missing out. Even the most advanced tools won't yield success unless traders refine their mindset. Reviewing past trades, understanding the reasons behind wins and losses, and steering clear of irrational decisions are as crucial as reading the charts themselves. ChartPrime can help bridge both technical and psychological gaps. Think of it as an advanced assistant that distills the complexity of a professional trader's workflow into clear, actionable signals. Its unique features, such as auto pattern detection and real-time reversal signals, automate what would otherwise require hours of manual analysis. ChartPrime's beauty lies in its confluence, where multiple signals align to enhance your odds of success. When a pattern forms within a liquidity zone and a reversal indicator confirms the move, you're equipped with a high-probability trade. But the journey doesn't end with tools alone. Success in trading demands a balance, leveraging advanced features like ChartPrime while consistently reviewing and refining your trades. ChartPrime's intuitive interface encourages this process, enabling you to log, analyze, and improve your strategies. Coupled with live tutorials and a supportive Discord community, you're on the path to steady growth. Trading isn't just about making money. It's about mastering the art of decision-making. Ready to transform your trading journey? ChartPrime is here to guide you every step of the way. Imagine having the power to see the market's hidden moves before they unfold. ChartPrime doesn't just stop at analyzing patterns after they've played out. It can reveal the actions of major market players before their influence spreads through the market. One of the favorite features of ChartPrime is its smart money concepts, a robust package that helps track the footprints of large institutional traders. Think of it as having a treasure map that shows where these market movers are heading. With ChartPrime, you can pinpoint break of structure, BOS, order blocks, and liquidity zones, just like the profitable traders do. ChartPrime's auto pattern detection is a game changer, eliminating the time and guesswork involved in spotting setups like wedges, triangles, or head and shoulders patterns. It continuously scans the market in real time, highlighting entry and exit points with surgical precision. This, combined with the reversal signals and oscillator, provides a toolkit crafted for high-accuracy trading. Imagine receiving a buy signal right within a key support zone identified by smart money concepts. This is actionable confluence at its finest. Confluence is crucial, and it's not about cluttering your chart with endless tools. It's about strategically layering signals that reinforce each other. Begin with a higher time frame analysis to get the lay of the land, and watch as ChartPrime aligns patterns, liquidity zones, and reversal signals across multiple perspectives. This strategic alignment helps you differentiate between noise and genuine opportunities, encouraging you to make informed, high-probability decisions. ChartPrime promotes patience and precision, trading less frequently but with greater effectiveness. ChartPrime demystifies the complexities of trading, turning intricate strategies into clear, actionable insights. It unveils what many traders overlook: the hidden tools and signals that smart money uses to dictate price movements. With seamless integration of features like the Prime Oscillator Pro and smart money concepts, ChartPrime simplifies every step of your analysis process. But let's delve deeper into what makes this package a must-have for traders aiming for excellence. This isn't just any oscillator. It goes beyond measuring momentum by highlighting divergences, those critical moments when price and momentum disagree, signaling potential reversals. Its precision in identifying these divergences often preempts significant market shifts, empowering you with foresight that others might miss. This feature is the cornerstone of ChartPrime, tracking the footprints of top-tier institutional traders. By identifying order blocks, liquidity zones, and break of structure, BOS, you gain insights into where the big market players are placing their bets. This knowledge is akin to holding the keys to the kingdom, offering you a roadmap to navigate the market with confidence. Save countless hours and eliminate guesswork with this feature. Whether it's wedges, triangles, or head and shoulders patterns, ChartPrime's auto pattern detection continuously scans and alerts you to key setups as they form. This ensures you never miss an opportunity, keeping you ahead of the curve. Timing is everything in trading, and ChartPrime's reversal signals are designed to pinpoint exact moments when the market might change direction. When combined with insights from other features, these signals enhance your ability to enter and exit trades with optimal precision. ChartPrime isn't just about tools, it's about transforming the way you trade. Success in trading is a harmonious blend of using advanced indicators and continuously refining your approach. ChartPrime's intuitive interface encourages you to log, analyze, and evolve your strategies. Coupled with insights from comprehensive live tutorials and a vibrant Discord community, you're set on a path for consistent growth and learning. Trading is more than just profit. It's about mastering the art of decision-making. ChartPrime equips you with the tools and knowledge to take control of your trading destiny. Ready to elevate your trading game and seize control of your financial future? Click the link below to explore ChartPrime's powerful suite of tools and embark on a journey where precision meets opportunity.